You are probably thinking of spending your hard-earned money on traveling. This can possibly use up all the savings so quickly, leaving holes in your pocket. Investing in the booming stock market, the fact is most of us just don't make money. Getting a luxury car depreciates so quickly. The high cost of ownership impacts resale value. So why not renovate your property? Most of us spend more time in our home than anywhere else. We just need to make sure it is very comfortable and functional. This can go a long way towards boosting our quality of life. The money we spend on renovations will be doubled, even tripled later in the resale value. Hi, it's Mick from Sydney Budget Kitchens. I summarized 5 most important factors to consider before anything else when it comes time to renovate your home. Number 1, the purpose of renovation, such as sell the property for a high price. The focus should be on the sold price for maximum return. Increase the rental income of your property. Ideally, the less repairs and maintenance, the better. Fix existing damage. This really depends on the issue. You don't even need a full renovation sometimes. Just a new look with more functionality. This comes down to individual taste and lifestyle. Number 2, how much is your budget? Home renovation is expensive. You usually don't want to spend more than 5% of your property value. Here are 2 options to consider for your financial planning. Option 1, do it all at once. You can definitely get cheaper and quicker. A lot of contractors will be able to give you a better rate too. Option 2, doing it bit by bit. In this case, you can live in your home while renovating. The whole project takes much longer, but you have got a longer payment period just to relieve the financial stress. As you can see, renovating all at once or bit by bit may affect both of your budget and time. This comes to number 3, time. A lot of people tend to DIY or organize the project by themselves, but most people forget to consider the more important time factor. If your project takes longer than expected, then you are probably losing money due to the delay of selling or renting, possibly paying too much extra of your home loan. Renovation order is also important as part of your time management. For example, we need to design the kitchen before buying the appliances. We need to install the bench top before tiling the splashback. We need to relocate the plumbing before waterproofing the bathroom. We need to paint the walls before laying the carpet. Number 4, what to renovate. High traffic areas such as the kitchen and bathroom should be considered as top remodeling priority. This should get you the most returns when it comes time to sell. However, as limited to your other renovation factors, purpose, budget, and time, you might just want a complete house painting and replace the carpet for fast house sale. The answer to what to renovate does vary from case to case, and you do need to get some helps from a renovation expert. Number 5, getting helps from an expert. The expert can be a builder or a renovator, can be a real estate agent, can even be just one of your friends who has done renovation before, especially the one who made mistakes before. If you do choose to use a renovator, the one you have decided to use must be able to help you from start to finish, help you through designing, planning, choosing materials, getting renovation approval, organizing the whole project, supervising the subcontractors, and troubleshooting any job site unexpected issues. A good renovator should also help you to achieve your renovation goals within your reasonable set budget and time frame. Help you with your design better than your designer, as a renovator is the one who does the actual works, so he must know how to avoid unnecessary expensive works, help you to make wise renovation decisions, know when to say no to you by understanding the renovation restrictions and any potential risks and uncertainties before you start, so to avoid any waste of unexpected cost and time. Address any of your renovation concerns, making the whole project run smoothly from start to finish. Selecting the right contractor for the right job becomes your priority. If you are still not too sure how and where to start your renovation planning, why not visit www.sydneybudgetkitchens.com.au. Click free quote, tell us your property type, what you want to renovate, your renovation purpose, provide us a bit more details of your work, set a budget and your time frame, of course with your name, address and email address. Click submit. Don't forget to email some photos of your property to our email info@sydneybudgetkitchens.com.au and then give us a phone call once you have received our free online quote. Your hard-earned money should buy the family happiness from the renovations, not the pressure on your family life. That's all for now. Talk soon.